Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the softwares that are must learn for mechanical engineers. Uh, in this video we are going to cover all the softwares that are important for mechanical engineers, and I will tell you when to use and what software you need in for what applications. So let's switch to the video. This Actually, all the softwares fall in three categories. First is design or CAD software, where we design a model for anything. Like suppose you have to design a car, then first you will design on CAD software. So first category is CAD software. The second category comes analysis software. Like if you are going to do some research or in higher studies, you must learn an analysis software everywhere. Wherever you go for your higher study, they will first tell you to go and learn some analysis software, and I will tell you which software fall in this category. And the third one is programming software. This is not generally so very much recommended by anyone for mechanical engineers. This is just an optional that you have a tool and you can use it anywhere. Though I will tell you which software you have to learn while pursuing your mechanical engineering. So here I have told you that there are three categories of software. First is CAD software, second is analysis software, third is programming software. And you must learn your design software, that is CAD software, while you're BTech. Well, when you are pursuing BTech, you must learn your CAD software. And which softwares fall in this category, CAD software? Like first is your AutoCAD. All of you might be knowing AutoCAD software. This is widely used software that is in industries. Any industry you go, you will find they are using AutoCAD. Second is CATIA. CATIA is also a popular software in this category. Third is ProE. Fourth is SolidWorks, and fifth is Fusion 360. And there are n number of softwares fall in this category, that is design software. So the very first software you must learn is one design software. If you are going to start with the software world, then you must learn at least one software from this category, because this is the very basic. While you're BTech only, you must learn this software. Like I have personally learned CATIA and SolidWorks, because in India SolidWorks is most referred by all the educational organization, and means all the colleges and universities. And I have learned CATIA while my BTech. So this, and you must learn AutoCAD. If you don't have any preference, then you must learn AutoCAD, because AutoCAD I think is widely used. Okay. And if you don't have any preference of learning software, then I will tell you that first you go and learn AutoCAD. And if you want to learn one more software, then go to learn SolidWorks. These two software I will recommend you. Though I have not learned AutoCAD, I have just learned CATIA and SolidWorks, but I will recommend AutoCAD and SolidWorks. So next is our analysis software. In analysis software, in this category, in analysis software category, you only need analysis software when you are pursuing your higher studies. While research, you must need to learn an analysis software. Then there are not much analysis software I will recommend you here, because if you are not pursuing your masters or PhD, then you don't need this analysis software. Because in even you might learn, because in some colleges in your BTech only, you do come across some research work, and there you will use MATLAB and ANSYS. These are the very the very two basic software that most of mechanical engineer needs it while pursuing their research or something like thesis work and anything like that. Okay. And the third is programming software. In programming software, there are lots of software that computer engineers, computer science and engineering guys learn. And the softwares are like Python, Java, C++, etc, means etc. These are the softwares that you must learn. And in third category, I won't recommend you to, if you have enough time and you are good at learning softwares and you like to learn software, then only you go for Python. No need to go for every software. So now let's summarize the whole conversation. This is if you are a BTech guy and you are just in a field of mechanical engineering and you want to learn some software, then you just go for AutoCAD. Again, you want to learn one more software, then go for SolidWorks. And if you are willing to pursue your higher studies, then these two software is must. I will recommend MATLAB and ANSYS. And if you have sufficient time, then just go for Python. And there is no need of any other software, because if you are pursuing your higher studies, then you will need some more software that will be according to the use. Like if you are from robotics, then you will use Robo Analyzer. If you are from another, then some computational fluid thing like that. So in this video all these things I covered. Thank you.